Software testing. Software testing is the process of finding errors in the developed product and to check whether the actual software product matches expected requirements and to ensure that software product is defect-free. Who does testing? Software testers, project developers, project lead, team manager, end users. Who does testing? It is depending on the process and its connected project stakeholders in the industry of information technology. Companies have team members who bear the responsibility for evaluating the project or software based on the requirements during the test phase. Some bugs can get detected if proper testing is done and the development of a software application. Sdlc. Sdlc's software development lifecycle aims to produce a high-quality software that meets customer expectations, reaches completion within times and cost estimate. In Sdlc, involves many steps such as requirement gathering and analysis, design, the software coding phase, testing phase, deployment phase, maintenance phase. Sdlc. Sdlc is software testing life cycle. Sdlc. It is a sequence of different activities performed during the software testing process. It is a process used to test software and ensure that quality standards are met. Requirement analysis, test planning, test development, test environment, setup, test execution and closure. Regression testing. Regression testing is about searching for defects. To check any update in software with a new feature doesn't affect existing functionality. Importance of regression testing assures there are no defects or bugs after implementing software updates. Allows for retesting existing software after application changes. Retesting. Retesting is about fixing specific defects that you've already found. Or, retesting is to check all previous test cases that have failed are passed or not. Ad hoc testing. Ad hoc testing is an informal and random style of testing performed by testers who are well aware of the functioning of software. It is also called random testing. Smoke testing. Smoke testing is also called build verification testing. Smoke testing is used to test all over function of the system product. Smoke testing is done to measure the stability of the system product by performing testing. Smoke testing is also called a subset of acceptance testing. Sanity testing. Sanity testing is a subset of regression testing. After receiving the software build, sanity testing is performed to ensure that the code changes introduced are working as expected. This testing is a checkpoint to determine if testing for the build can proceed or not. Sanity testing is done to check the bugs have been fixed after the build. Fuzz testing. Fuzz testing is an automated software testing method that injects invalid, malformed, or unexpected inputs into a system to reveal software defects and vulnerabilities. A fuzzing tool injects these inputs into the system and then monitors for exceptions such as crashes or information leakage. Defect clustering. Defect clustering means a small number of modules containing most of the defects. Latent defect. Latent defects are hidden undetected flaws in software which can't be identified by any user until some special set of operations are performed. Alpha testing. Alpha tests are carried out early in the development process by internal staff. Alpha testing is the first end-to-end testing of a product to ensure it meets the business requirements and functions correctly. Beta testing. Product is released publicly to the world through online channels and data can be collected from anyone. Based on feedback, product improvements can be done. Bug life cycle. Bug life cycle in software testing is the specific set of states that defect or bug goes through in its entire life. Defect status. Defect status. A bug status in defect life cycle is the present state from which the defect or bug is currently undergoing. Bug life cycle. Bug defect life cycle. New. Assigned. Duplicate rejected defed not a bug. Open. Fixed. Pending. Retest. Retest. Reopened. Verified. Closed. What is deferred? Deferred, if the present bug is not of a prime priority and if it is expected to get fixed in the next release, then status, deferred, is assigned to such bugs. What is verification? Verification is the process of checking that the software meets specifications. Verification means are we building the product right? Verification as static testing. Functional testing. Functional testing is testing the functionality of a software or an application under test. It tests the behavior of the software under test. Based on the requirement of the client, a document called a software specification C. Requirement specification is used as a key less than to test the application. Non-functional testing. To checks the quality of the software to be tested. Quality majorly depends on time, accuracy, stability, correctness and durability of a product under various circumstances. Non-functional testing involves performance testing, load testing, stress testing etc.